Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Yeezy 450 Utility Black colorway. So let's get into it. So this is our box. Very simple. I love that the box doesn't do the most, and I like that all the boxes look the same. So let me just go ahead and get to what we've been waiting for. Now, I'm going to take both of them out. Now, let's get into it. This shoe retails for $200, and I got mine as a birthday gift, but my friend bought them for $250, which isn't too bad, so they're not that much hiked up from retail price. So as far as like sizing and stuff like that, I got a 6.5. The reason why I got 6.5 is because I wanted to give myself more space, and when I tried them on, I had like a super thick sock, so they fit perfectly. Now that I don't have on a super thick sock, they fit, but they have a little bit of room, which I like, because if I want to wear a super thick sock or like scrunch up my socks or whatever, I will have room. I will say to size up from what you normally are in any Yeezy shoe, just because of how they're made. And it's not a bad thing. They don't look big or nothing like that, but I just sized up. And if I could, I would have gotten a 6, but I got a 6.5, and it's not bad. It fits cool. Like, I have room and stuff like that, so I feel fine. This is like super black. It's like charcoal black, which I really like a lot. I know there was a colorway that looked identical to this shoe, but it was in like super black like this. But here we are, and here they go. I just want to say off rip, my first thing that I really like about the shoe is the knit right here, because it stretches, and I like the liner. The liner kind of reminds me of a sock, so in my head I'm thinking I don't have to wear a sock because I don't even like wearing socks with shoes for some reason. But I like that it's a sock liner because it makes me feel more comfortable to not wear a sock. I also really love the eyelids on the shoe and the laces. I don't know, it's just kind of giving me everything that I need, and it's just so simple to me. It's like simple but complex. So let's just get into the detail. I don't know, like, it's just, I love it. Like, the upper of the shoe, to me, it just gives, like, I don't know why I think of Spider-Man when I see this for some reason, but that's what it gives me. And it's just all around, like, easy, comfortable shoe. It's giving me everything I needed to get, because this to me means the shoe is flexible. It's flexible and it's comfortable. Like I said, like, I'm looking forward to really wearing these and incorporating them to my everyday type of shoe. Like my throw-on shoe, I can go with my friend's shoe, I can go to the store shoe, I can work out in these shoes, and I don't really think they're gonna get dirty. And that's one of my favorite things, that it's all black all around. So yes, I might get like dirt on the bottom of the shoe, but it's not gonna be super crazy, super dirty as compared to having the Reason colorway. It's just not gonna get super dirty, and that's what I really like. And if you haven't gotten the Yeezy 450s, or you're like thinking, oh, should I get them? I definitely recommend you get them, because they're a dope shoe to have. Like I said, everyday shoe. They remind me of the Roche Runners that we used to have when we were younger. Well, I used to have them. I used to have like so many colors, and that's what it's giving. Yeezy Roche Runner, but in a really good way, not in like a bad way. But I feel like this is the most comfortable Yeezy shoe. I used to think the foam runners were the most comfortable, but compared to this shoe, they're not. I kind of feel like when I tried them on, when I walked in them, like I was kind of walking on a cloud. You know what I'm saying? Like, it felt really comfortable, and I thought that's really important for me in a shoe. Like, not only does it look good, but it feels good. Because who wants to wear a shoe in your like, you know, your feet hurt? I really do say go get this shoe, especially women. I mean, men too, but women, girls, these look cute on our feet. On smaller feet, they look cute. And even if you have bigger feet, like I've seen these on someone in a size 9.5, and they don't look like clunky huge. They look like a good size. So I would say everybody go get these shoes if you like them. If you've been thinking about them, here's your sign to get them. Yeah, so this is Daesia approved, and I just recommend you guys go and get the shoe. And let me know in the comments if you have this shoe, if you're thinking about buying this shoe, or kind of like what your thoughts are, because the shoe is very simple, like I said, but yet complex. It's black on black, which is great. It's like a real black, it's black like this, so it's like a true black, not like a true black with like a hint of gray. It's black. So let me know if you're gonna go get this shoe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video. And I hope this video tells you to go and get these shoes. Bye.